Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about this assassination plot that everybody is talking about that has been reported by SEPS. I think there was an interview I saw. Oh, was it an interview, a media briefing? Sorry, there was a media briefing. What's her name? Miss Mate or Mrs. Mate? I don't know. Atlanta Mate. Yes, she was telling the country about the assassination plot. Uh, and what happened during the proceedings of the Senzo Meyiwa trial. That's what she was referring to, what happened there. Anyway, so let's go and ask the one question, the question nobody else wants to touch, the one that blows a hole straight through this assassination plot narrative, okay? Because if you look closely, really closely, nothing about this story adds up. Not the timing, not the targets, not the logic, nothing. This might just be boldest distraction play we've seen in the entire Senzo Meyiwa trial. Let's start with the basics. Who is leading the case right now? Who is leading the case right now? The defense. The defense. Who is on the stand right now? Who is on the stand right now? A defense aligned witness. A defense aligned witness. So tell me, who exactly are these mysterious assassins planning to unalive? Their own witnesses? Their own people? A man who is there to support their version of events? Make it make sense, guys. Oh, make it make sense, because right now the story is bending reality to breaking point. It's bending reality to a breaking point right now. Okay, there's something else that they spoke of, the sudden security crisis. Notice the timing, notice the pattern. Every time the state finds itself drowning in the procedural disasters, we suddenly get thunderbolts of breaking security alerts. Let's list them. The state fails to prove a statement. The state fails to tender documents correctly. The prosecutor's cross-examination on material never adopted in evidence. The entire procedure collapses in real time, live on television. Live on television. And then boom. And then boom. Suddenly the courtroom is a war zone. Suddenly there's an assassination plot. Suddenly intelligence is solid. Do you read what I'm trying to tell you? Do you understand it? Do you catch my drift? And boom. Suddenly the courtroom is a war zone. Let me repeat that for you. Suddenly there's an assassination plot. Suddenly there's intelligence solid. The intelligence is solid. Do you catch my drift? Every time the state hits a wall, we get a brand new crisis, a crisis bigger than their incompetence. That's not coincidence. That's choreography at its highest peak. That's choreography at its highest peak. Ask the real questions. Let's ask why or what they don't want us to ask. Let's ask what they don't want us to ask. Number one, who benefits from this narrative? Because it sure as hell isn't the defense. They are in their strongest phase of the trial. It's not them. They are in their strongest phase of the trial right now. Who needs a distraction from procedure collapsing on live television? People are busy streaming on YouTube. Who needs a distraction? Who needs the courtroom to feel like a war zone instead of answering for legal blunders? Who needs that? Who needs that? Who gains by shifting national attention from state failing to state under attack? Because that shift is exactly what's happening. Whenever the law starts falling apart, the drama starts rising. That's what happens. Guys, please, let's pull the curtain back. Pull the curtain back. The assassination plot narrative is beginning to look less like security intelligence and more like political theater. A shield, a smoke down, or a smoke screen, a panic button. That is what it looks like. A shield, a smoke screen, a panic button. That's what it looks like. Instead of explaining why procedure was violated, why statements unproven, why cross-examination is illegal, why the state keeps stumbling, we are told to look at hitmen. We are told to look at conveniently, very conveniently, if you ask me. The real fear, let me tell you what's actually shaking the room. No hitmen, not assassins, not ghosts in the gallery. What's shaking the room is the truth. What's shaking the room is the truth. What's shaking the room is the defense witness who wasn't supposed to survive the courtroom of public perception. What's shaking the room is the collapse of narrative that was protected for years. And when the truth threatens power, power creates panic. Power creates panic because the truth is threatened. People are panicking now. Oh, people are panicking. People, when they look at the house of cards that they built that are collapsing right now, they panic. And sadly, when you are panicking, you make a lot of blunders way above what you've been making before. You've made blunders with the entire story or narrative that you've created. And now that it's not selling anymore, no one is buying on it. Now you are busy making more blunders because this was not thought well, just like the entire narrative of the arrest of the 5 men. This was not well thought because there's so many blunders in this, and I'm going to come up with another video showing you what are the blunders, what was not well thought when it comes to this plan of assassination plot. There's a lot of things that were not well thought there. I love when someone is making more mistakes instead of damage control. The damage control is not it, guys. It's not make sure. So ask again, who is in danger? Because the only thing that's under real threat in this moment is the state's collapsing storyline. That's what's under danger currently. That's where problems are. That's where the danger is. And this assassination plot looks like the last-minute support system for a case that's bleeding out. That is what is happening. This assassination plot, the assassination plot, looks like last-minute life support system for a case that's bleeding out. The question isn't, who are they trying to kill? The real question is, what are they trying to keep alive? What are they trying to keep alive? That's the real question. Stay tuned for more updates on the drama and every drill that is happening on the Senzo Mewa case. I will see you on our next video. Kindly please make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Bye.